Quick reading for April the 5th to April the 6th, Capricorn. Your cards are the Nine of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. May mga sleepless nights tayo, no, Capricorn. Siguro ito yung problema, no, sa family natin or problema sa relationship. With the Three of Wands, parang tinatanong natin, kailan ba tayo mabibigyan ng break, no? Hindi mag-break up ha. Mabibigyan ng break para maayos yung relationship, magkaroon ng communication. Pwede rin naman dito na magkaroon tayo ng celebration, no? May celebrate man lang natin yung monthsary or baka merong mga nakalimutang mga bagay na kasi celebrate naman. It doesn't have to be the bongga type of celebration, no? Kahit yung kumain sa tusok-tusok, 'di ba? Maipakita man lang yung appreciation. Well, in fact, with the Ten of Cups, pwede nga meron ditong dates, no, na ibibigay si or i-invite ka ni person. With the Ten of Cups, meron din dito mga pag-amin ng kanyang saloobin at tunay na nararamdaman sa iyo. This is your quick reading, Capricorn, for April the 5th to April the 6th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye.